If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A37, we can for example open the gallery. Now over here from the gallery we should be able to choose the photo that we wish to set as a wallpaper. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. Next we can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then here we should be able to choose set as wallpaper. In here we can decide if you want to set it for the lock screen, home screen, both of these screens, and also always on display. Let's say I'm going to choose for both lock and home screens. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. We should be able to adjust the wallpaper. Like for example, we can zoom in and zoom out. We can also move left and right in order to adjust the position of the wallpaper. And also at the bottom, we can find some additional options. Like for example, we can find suggestions, frame options. So you can apply a frame and color for that frame. We can also find effects. So you can, for example, apply a blur, grayscale, and so on and so forth. So be sure to check that out. And besides that, if you also apply the wallpaper to the home screen, then here at the bottom we can switch to the home screen preview, or you can just switch back to the lock screen preview. Once you are done, tap on Done in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.